Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya Smith and today I'm coming to you with some products that were sent to me from a natural hair company called TreLuxe. TreLuxe is a super cool hair company that sends their proceeds from their products to inspire confidence in at-risk girls through their Natural Fit Community initiative. So as you can see, my hair is a hot tangled mess, so I'm just going to jump right into this video with the Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. This cleansing rinse has no parabens, silicone, sulfates, or artificial color, and it gently cleanses, detangles, and replenishes moisture for healthy, resilient curls. So my initial thoughts upon picking up this shampoo is that the packaging was super cute. That's a big thing for me. I love cute packaging. It's very sturdy, so I know if I left this in my shower like I usually do, I won't have to worry about it like falling apart or the peeling like coming off. I really like that it came with a pump for portion control. That means it'll help you not use too much product. And the smell of it was like a nice, clean smell, which I really liked. The texture of the shampoo was runny, but it was like soft. Like I've never felt a shampoo like this before. It felt really good. And I put it on my hair and I got an instant lather, which was perfectly fine with me. This shampoo cleansed my hair really good. It's super gentle and it's not harsh like at all. My hair got clean. I didn't comb my hair out with it, but I know if I wanted to finger detangle with this, I would have been perfectly fine. So as you can see, my scalp is super clean, and now I'm moving on to the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. The same was for the leave-in conditioner. The packaging was super cute, and this leave-in conditioner is supposed to detangle, nourish, and replenish your hair for lively curls. The consistency for this leave-in conditioner was like Jergens lotion, and it was really light. It smelled just like apple cinnamon oatmeal. I've never had a product smell like that before, but when this went into my hair, it felt really good. I was supposed to put this in my hair after shampooing, like still in the shower, and I completely forgot. But this leave-in conditioner still did the job once putting it in my hair. So I brushed this through, and then I went in with the TreLuxe Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. 1 is to hydrate, 2 is to strengthen, 3 is to protect, and 4 is to style. This cream is a botanical formula that restores moisture to dry hair, fortifies damaged strands, and defines your curls while protecting your curly tresses. The consistency of this product was like a thick whipped texture. It felt really good. And the smell was like a super clean, fresh smell. I'm not sure where the apple cinnamon smell came from because the shampoo in this smells like super clean, but this smelled really good. So upon putting this on my hair, it melted right into my hair. And after I applied this from tips to root, I went in and started to shingle my hair. That's what the company said the best results come from. I haven't shingled my hair and I don't know how long, but I wanted to get the best results, so I followed the directions. Also, the instructions say to apply more for a stronger hold or apply less for like a lighter hold. So I applied kind of in the middle because I didn't want my curls to be like hard or anything. So I think I applied a really good amount. So after shingling my whole head, I let my hair air dry throughout the day and put it in these 2 ponytails when I went to bed. So it's the next day and my hair is completely dry. And as you can see, all that product that I put in my hair is completely soaked in. I had not one flake in my hair, and my hair was not weighed down at all. If you have been following me on Instagram, you know that my hair has been shedding very, very bad in the front due to postpartum shedding, but I went and fluffed my curls up, and this product gave me excellent volume for me to have like literally half of all my hair gone. My hair still looked really good and really full. And these are my results. My hair is super soft and super defined. I was super happy with my results. I definitely needed some products that were going to moisturize my hair and define them, and these products did just that. I did have a little bit of frizz, but as you know, that's perfectly fine with me. I'm on this new kick for big hair, and to me, some healthy frizz gives me bigger hair, so I was definitely okay with that. I am going to try to use these products on soaking wet hair like they recommended to see if I get frizz-free curls, but I don't really want frizz-free curls, but I still just want to try it out just to see if I'll get it. Just a recap of all the products, my favorite product would be the cleanser. It was super gentle and super moisturizing and had a super clean, fresh scent. It got my hair super clean and didn't strip it of the moisture. I love all of these products, but the one con that I would have to say is the smell of that leave-in conditioner, that cinnamon apple smell. Definitely got to me. I'm like, oh my goodness. It went away after like 2 days, but those first 2 days I was like, I don't know about that, but it did what it was supposed to do, and it's super moisturizing. So if you could last that smell for 2 days, that leave-in conditioner is bomb. You can find these products at Whole Foods. That's how I knew these products was going to be bomb, to be completely honest. Yes, Whole Foods, and also online. I will leave everything down below in the description box so you guys can check them out. This video is sponsored, but as you guys know, I keep it real. All thoughts are my own. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.